Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy July. A Colorful Life Designs has a new release today, and there is so many stencils, and there is a new stamp set again, which I love. So here is the new stamp set. It is called Amazing. So you are all kinds of amazing. You got this, woohoo, make today amazing, and you make my life brighter. So those are wonderful stamp sentiments, and I am going to be making a card with the arches, the new arches stencil, which is so pretty. You can put anything here. I first thought of a brick, dark red for the brick, and then a girl here, but that is not what I made for my sample. Here is the card I made for today. And so I'm going to go ahead and ink blend for you using the new arches stencil. So here is some white cardstock, and what I used is milled lavender distress oxide ink, and I'm just going to put it down low. And I did add a butterfly from Tim Holtz, and then I used the new Amazing stamp set. So here is, I don't know, I just went with lavender for this card, but it would look good in any color. Gray, you can do 2 colors, 3 colors, whatever you like. You can fussy cut it out. This arch here, it would be great for a wedding card. So there are all kinds of options for this stencil, which I love. And there is so many other stencils in this release, so I hope you'll check it out. You can use my code VonFan10 to save 10% off your purchase, and that code you cannot use on the Master Creator bundle just because that is the whole release and it's already marked down at 20% off. Okay. So pretty for the arch here. I believe I just did some blue for the, I don't want it too dark. This is Catherine Polar Dress Blues ink, and I just did it for like the background here. You can easily leave it white. And I will cut it out and stamp the new stamp set for you just so you can see. And I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my panel down to A2 size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm just going to stamp the stamp set out. You got this, and I guess it doesn't really matter where. Okay, so I'm using VersaFine black ink here. Okay, and I think that's fine. You could stamp it again if you want to, but I'm pretty sure that's good. And then I'm just going to glue my panel to my A2 card base and add my butterfly. I will be right back. Okay, so I added my butterfly there. I'm just going to add some This is what I call my Colorful Life Designs bling. So I'm going to add some purple sequins here, or confetti mix, however you want to call it. And let's just get so I added, I believe, 5. I usually add sequins in odd numbers. And 2 more. Turn those around. So 1 right here. Doesn't have to be the same as my other card, but I'm doing the best that I can. And I hope you are subscribed to my channel and get notified when I upload a new video. I appreciate it. And here we go. Here's both my cards. I hope you like them. Thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.